I want to learn English language but don't know how to learn it. Watch it with me. Let's find out in depth at root level what's the right way to learn English language. I don't understand English yet, but I truly want to learn it. I want to be able to communicate in every way, whether it is speaking, writing or reading. If it is writing, I want to write English fluently and effectively. If it is concerned with reading, I want to understand what I read with ease. And when it comes to speaking, I don't want to get stuck or hesitate. Do you have similar thoughts in your mind? If yes, then watch this video till the end. Don't skip a single second. In this video, I'll talk about what is English, what is the concept of English language and how you can learn English effectively. And I'm sure many of us don't actually know the right path to learn this language effectively. So we all want to reach the destination, but most of us don't know the exact route to get the destination. That's why the first and most important thing is to know the path you should follow to move forward in your English learning journey, isn't it? So let's find out together. First we'll understand what is English, and then we will understand the concept of English to learn. See, English is a language like any other language, like any other languages. The purpose of learning any language is to express your thoughts, ideas and whatever you have in your mind, correct? Since it's a global language and English is spoken in almost every country, if we are not able to speak this language, we often get stuck somewhere in life. So we need to learn it in addition to your mother tongue. So now, based on what I learned so far and according to my previous experience, there are two main ways to learn. The first method is to learn a large number of common words and terms along with proper arrangement of those words in order to make sense. This is called grammar, the rules for sentence formation. In any language, we need two core elements. English is no different. There are two basic things you need to have in your memory and under your command. In simple terms, you need to become familiar with these two fundamentals first. The one is words, that is also called vocabulary, and the second part is the correct arrangement of those words which make sense, that is called the sentence formation. Once you become comfortable with both of these through daily practice, nothing can stop you. No barrier will remain in your way. You will have the global master key in your hands. You will be able to open any door of communication. Moving forward, we have understood that two things are essential for your communication in English: vocabulary and sentence structure. But the next question is, how do we learn these two things? Where should we start? Let's talk about it. See, in today's world, the majority of people have smartphones with internet connectivity in their hands. In this case, you can learn in your own way online. There are a number of channels dedicated to this purpose, and our channel is also here to help you learn English. Raise your queries and ask your doubts in case if you are having. A lot of resources are available online for free or at an affordable price. You can choose whatever suits your convenience. The second method involves using only words without any focus on grammar rules. This method is similar to the natural way children learn their first language, but it will take a lot of time, because you can imagine how long it takes a child to utter their first words and then form sentences. In my opinion, the best approach is to first understand the concept of sentence formation in your mother tongue during the initial stage, correct? Then after a few weeks or a couple of months, start surrounding yourself completely with English. Take in all inputs in English and give outputs in English only. Inputs includes here reading, listening and watching, and outputs include here writing and speaking. So you need to perform all these activities together consistently, regularly. Only then you will be able to learn English effectively. During this process, if you get stuck at any point, you can leave your questions in the comment box. I will try my best to reply to you. I am here to help you by all possible means so you can develop a good command of the language. Make sure you join me by subscribing to this channel so we can build a wonderful relationship. That's all for now. See you in the next video soon with more topics on English learning. Till then, take care. Bye bye.